All right, welcome back everybody to a brand new video here today. My name is Vice, and today we are going to be checking out how to spawn in AI and get them to Pathfind in Forge World or Forge Island here in Halo 4 mod tools. This is obviously universal, so you can do this on any map that you want. Just for this tutorial series, we're going to be doing it on DLC_Forge_Island. So let's get into this thing right now. Okay, so first thing that we're going to go ahead and do is open up these squads area here, and you'll see that I actually have a few squads already set up with AI in them. So we will actually start off fresh though. We'll start off fresh and show you guys how to actually do this. So we're going to go ahead and press edit types, and we're going to import the biped of our choice. For me, I am importing this one, the Spartans_MP. This is a custom made biped to get multiplayer Spartans. And then character, we are just going to go ahead and import our custom characters. For me, I'm doing Spartans_MP_blue team. Of course, you can do this for any AI that you want. If you want, you know, elite AI, you can go ahead and get, or actually elite, you can go ahead and get their AI in here if you would like. For me though, I'm just going to be doing it with the Spartans AI that I created myself. Of course, you'll need the biped for them, and you'll also need the .character file for them as well, all imported through this edit types. So, and then once you're done, you just press OK, and that stuff should be imported for you. Now for pathfinding, we're going to go ahead and create a new zone. So we got zones_1 and we got zones_0, which is actually already pathfinded for these AI to use, but we're going to go ahead and create a new area /zone for these AI to use. So what I did right there is I right clicked on the map there, and that's going to create this little box that you can move around with these green dots. You can also create new green dots if you want to get super specific with how the pathfinding would work. I think this is good enough. We're going to go ahead and press on zones 1 and press generate all. Now, you will see that a lot of the pathfinding generates on the left side for some reason. That's just kind of a bug with it right now. If you actually press on one of these and then you right click on the map, we can actually place more pathfinding around the map. So we're just going to kind of spam it around. Them blue lines, ignore them. That's just me moving the pathfinding little positions there, the firing positions. Now, if your pathfinding does not generate, go ahead and go to scenarios and press generate PVS data. Do that for current zone sets, and then generate pathfinding data for current BSPs. That'll actually get the pathfinding to work. And then you will just have to press on your zone of desire and press generate all, and it'll go ahead and place those firing positions for you. So since I already have these squads set up, I'll show you guys how you actually do that. You press on squads, and then you'll press new instance, and that'll create squads_0, and you'll see cells and spawn points. In cells, you want to drop that down or press on it and press new instance, because cells_0. Press the drop menu, and in here you will select the character type that you want to spawn here. Here are the weapons that you want these guys to have a chance of using. To get weapons into the map, we have to go to edit types, and we have to go to weapon, add, and then here you'll have to get to the weapons folder here with rifle, pistol, and all this other stuff too. So we'll press done because we already have the weapons that we want: the energy sword, magnum, DMR, BR, and assault rifle. So once you have gotten that stuff all set up in cells, you want to go ahead and press on the cells_0, and in normal diff count, change this to 4. In major upgrade, press on that drop down menu and change it to none. And then for spawn points, you just press on that folder there and you just place them around. So right here is where my spawn points are. We're going to go ahead and move them into the actual zone that we created earlier, and boom, now they are in that zone. We go ahead and go over here and check the red team as well. They are not in the zone. Let's go ahead and move them over to here so that they are actually in the correct zone. And there we are. So we got them guys all in the zone. Now, if we want them to use zone_1, we have to press on the squad name. Also change their team for these guys to be enemies. It's Covenant player and player. You don't have to do these teams, by the way. You can do, you know, Mule, Brute, Covenant, whatever you want. For me, I'm just using them as an example. We're going to go ahead and press on the initial zone, and we're going to change that to zones_1. For you, it might be zones_0. Just change it to whatever zone that you created earlier. Go ahead and do that for squads_0. We're going to save. We're going to go up to scenarios and type or press map reset. Basically what that's going to do is it's going to reset the map, get the pathfinding ready, and get these squads ready to go as well. So I noticed I have that biped placed. I want to get rid of that so that these AI don't get distracted. All right, that's all you need to know how to spawn AI. Let's go ahead and spawn these guys in. And here we go. Now they're going to be able to pathfind with those pathfinding that we created earlier. And they'll be able to move around and actually fight each other. So of course, these are Spartan AI. You can use any AI you want. If you want, you know, elites, grunts, whatever you want, you can get them in. Just depends on what you want. Let's go ahead and spawn in here as well. They're going to start shooting at me. Let's just kind of remove ourselves and kind of spectate from a distance as blue and red team fight it out. It looks like blue team's gonna lose. This guy is trying to pursue, and that blue guy is gonna start shooting at him, engaging. Let's go ahead and get out of chief. We're gonna die anyways. See what this blue guy can do. Firing away. He's got pretty inaccurate shots here. He's not helping his case here. Looks like he's probably gonna die. There it is. That's not gonna do anything. But that, guys, is how you spawn AI and get them to pathfind. Pretty simple, pretty easy setup at least. And you can of course do this on any map that you want, although I have found it pretty difficult to get them to pathfind in multiplayer maps, so good luck on that. Of course, this is a multiplayer map, but I don't know, Forge Island just seemed to work pretty well. But anyways, guys, that is the short tutorial on how you do this. If it did help you out at all, please drop a like on it, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next tutorial. Peace out.